So
Yeah, so this is about the color you probably want. I mean, I'll leave it in just for a little bit longer, but
that looks great.
yeah, that's about done.
There's a little few pieces sticking up that are kind of light color, but I guess they're okay.
Yeah, you just gotta, like, some side of it might be a bit brown, another side might be white. Just generally, that's why you kind of stir it around.
Right.
Which, by the way, a bit of white on it ain't that bad, really.
Okay.
As long as it ain't completely white.
And these are wonton. We call them wonton crunchies, but they're wonton strips.
Well, so by the way, normally you want to at least let some of the oil drip out from this. That way you don't end up soaking your bowl.
Okay. Well, we'll come back later when the soup is ready and everything so people can see what it looks like in the end. I'm sure a lot of people have had egg drop soup, but I don't know if they make it at home very often. At least they can kind of see what it's like.